In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. First, log into your Facebook account. Next, navigate to Facebook homepage and look for Marketplace icon. Click on Create New Listing at the top of Marketplace page and choose type of item you want to list. Now, add photos or videos of item you are selling. Click on Add Photos or Videos, select Files from Device and click on Done in the top right corner. Ensure photos are clear and show different angles of items. Add a descriptive title for item, set your price, and choose appropriate category for item. Select condition of your item, for example new or used, and provide detailed description including specifications, features, or any other relevant details. Click on Edit next to location to update it. Choose location where item is available. If you prefer, you can hide listing from your Facebook friends. You can also choose list your item in relevant marketplace groups to reach more potential buyers, explore and adjust any additional settings that apply to your item. Decide if you want to offer delivery. You can turn this feature on or off and choose your preferred method of transaction. Review your listing and then click on Publish. Your item is now active on Facebook Marketplace. You can view your listing by going to Marketplace page and checking your listing section.